Hi everyone, this is Darshan Skoda and I'm currently pursuing my second year engineering at JSSTU Mysuru. We at Brothers Together have recently launched the Study Less Score More series exclusively for KCET 2024 aspirants out there to make students aware of the fact that you need not study each and everything when it comes to a particular subject to crack KCET. And in this series, we'll be taking them through a journey by videos in which I'll be discussing about what chapters carry a lot of weightage and what chapters carry moderate weightage and what chapters come under relatively low weightage, through which students will be able to understand on what chapters to focus a lot on and what chapters to just go through in brief. And we have already uploaded the Study Less Score More series part for mathematics in our channel itself. So if you haven't watched it yet, so make sure that you watch it once and you'll get your mathematics part sorted. And talking about this video, this whatever I tell you in this video comes with a huge experience of myself involving in KCET 2022 examination, and I managed to score around 50 out of 60 in my chemistry part, which was the maximum among PCM. So this video will definitely prove to be informative for all of you who are watching this. So make sure that you note down the important points which I will be narrating while I'll be proceeding with the video. So for that, make sure that you watch this video till the end. And for more such videos regarding your KCET 2024 preparation, make sure that you hit the subscribe button so that you'll never miss out any informative video I upload in the coming future, guys. With that note, let's start this video. Yeah, talking about KCET 2024 chemistry, it becomes important like to understand what are the chapters which contain high weightage, because we often observe that in examinations like KCET, majority of the part of your question paper or majority of the questions in your question paper will be there from a very less number of chapters or a minimal portion of your syllabus. And understanding this will not only help you save your time but will also help you focus on these particular chapters in which questions are frequently asked or more questions are appearing in the recent times, and that will help you master these concepts well so that you will be able to grab that maximum weightage questions which come from these particular chapters. And even when I was studying, guys, during my KCET 2022, even I was hugely focusing on this particular thing, on what weightage that particular concept or that particular chapter in all carries in my KCET examination, through which I was able to allocate specific time blocks for the particular chapters based on their weightage. So now talking about the high weightage chapters based on whatever has happened in KCET 2010 to 2023, you can just go through the high weightage chapters out here. The first one is the states of matter, which comes under your 11th part, which is a highly important chapter in which you'll be studying certain laws and certain rules which the states of matter follow. And it is an interesting chapter and comes under physical chemistry part. So I am sure that you will be mastering this particular chapter once you start touching upon your 11th syllabus. And then talking about the next block or the next unit which consists a lot of weightage, it is SPDF block element. Yes, guys, these chapters are often neglected by students, which will prove to be a lot of depreciating for them when it comes to the results part of it. So I want all of you who are watching this video particularly to develop that temperament in you to never miss out on these chapters which come under inorganic chemistry. But the fact that around 8 questions will be coming from this unit makes it a must study unit, because ultimately the marks is what we require in order to secure a decent rank which will pave the path to your seat in your dream college. For inorganic chemistry, in my previous video in which I have discussed about the strategy which you can adopt for a 7-month plan to crack your KC 2024 examination, I have discussed about how to tackle inorganic chemistry in particular. So I have given the link in this I button, so you can just check it out once if you haven't watched it yet. And then talking about your next chapter, which is solutions. Solutions and electrochemistry go hand in hand, and these two come under 12th class syllabus and or your second PU portions. And I'm sure for your second PU, many of you would have seriously prepared for the solutions and electrochemistry. So I don't think you will be facing any issues in these two chapters. But make sure that you solve certain previous year questions which have appeared in KCET examination, so that you will be getting that confidence of solving any question which comes from. And then comes the big daddy of chemistry, which is the organic chemistry, and the hydrocarbons and alkyl halides, which comprise around 3 questions, and the carbonyl compounds, the aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acids, which come under carbonyl compounds. So this is a chapter which again comprises of 4 questions in your KCET chemistry paper, and that should speak volumes about importance of studying these chapters. So all you have to do is to stick on to your NCERT and take a note of all the named reactions out there, because the examiner will always be trying to play around the name reactions, and I don't want any of you to miss out on the easy questions which come under name reactions. So make that a point. And talking about other reactions or the physical properties or the chemical properties, just be thorough in each and everything, and especially the reactions which have been provided in your NCERT become really important in this examination point of view. So I hope if you are very much serious in your preparation, and if you are rigorously revising all the concepts which come under organic chemistry, then this shouldn't be an issue for you. Then comes polymers and biomolecules. So these are certain chapters. Again, chemistry in everyday life also comes under the same category. These are chapters which are kind of easy, but again carry a lot of weightage when it comes to examinations like KCET. And even including me, many of you will be kind of neglecting these chapters because they are given at the end and they are very minute, thinking that many questions won't be appearing from them. But the analysis tells you that around 4 to 5 questions will be appearing to particular chapters which are really easy, and you can just complete it off in around 2 hours, and you can secure 4 to 5 marks in your KCET chemistry examination, which again will push your rank like any. These high weighted chapters in itself comprises around 30 marks out of your 60 marks in your chemistry paper, and that should again speak volumes of how important these chapters are in terms of preparing for your chemistry part. And I hope all of you will consider this fact while you are preparing or during your preparation, so that you will be able to provide a lot of focus, or a lot of time should be allocated to these chapters, because these are comprising the majority part of your chemistry paper. Now talking about the moderate weightage chapters: atomic structure and chemical bonding, equilibrium and chemical kinetics. Again, all these come under physical chemistry. And coordination compounds is again an interesting chapter, wherein you will be able to delve into the properties of the coordination compounds and their physical properties or their chemical properties, or about the ability to exhibit colors. So these and all are really interesting, and again these things also should be dealt in a very precise manner. And next comes alcohols, phenols and ethers under organic chemistry, amines and aromatic compounds, and chemistry in everyday life. Again, a minute unit can be dealt in around 1 hour, comes under this moderate weightage chapters, which carry around two questions, or two questions will be frequently appearing from these units which come under moderate weightage chapters. And I don't want anybody to miss out on these chapters while you are preparing, because the analysis itself says that these chapters are important in your examination point of view. So these are moderate weightage chapters. And talking about relatively low weightage chapters, low weightage in the sense around one question or maximum two questions have been asked from these particular units. So these are periodic properties and redox reactions, general organic chemistry, metallurgy, and other remaining minute units which will be coming under low weightage chapter. That low weightage chapters doesn't mean that you should be leaving off these chapters, but you should be understanding the fact that if there is low weightage for these chapters, then I should be allocating comparatively less time for these chapters, or I shouldn't be worrying if I am finding these chapters difficult. And I hope you guys are mature enough and serious enough to understand this. And talking about the general organic chemistry out here, this is an exception because this forms the basic foundation for your understanding of organic chemistry, and I don't want you guys to falter later while studying the other chapters when it comes to your organic chemistry, just because you did this general organic chemistry in a casual manner. So I would like to request all of you to just focus a lot while you are studying general organic chemistry, which makes things a lot easier while you go about with other chapters which come under organic, guys. So this was one thing which I had to tell. And if you just keep in mind these things while you are preparing, or if you just understand the weightage before you prepare or while you are preparing, I'm sure you will be able to come out with flying colors in your KCET chemistry examination. I would like to tell you one thing, guys: please don't panic about your chemistry examination, because chemistry paper will comparatively be easier compared to other two subjects, and I have experienced this, and I have also observed this when I was solving previous year questions or previous year papers during my KCET preparation. And it's important to trust yourself, or trust the process which you are in, or trust the hard work which you are putting in, and that will definitely secure you a good rank, or that will definitely pave the path for your seat in your dream college. And as you all know, there is around 50% weightage for your board exams too, so focus on your board exams as well while you're preparing for your KCET examination, and both of that should go hand in hand so that even board examinations will not be an issue. And I hope this should be enough for your KCET chemistry part under this study less score more series. I'll be coming up with the video in which I'll be discussing the physics part under the study less score more series very soon, guys. So if you are new to our channel, then make sure that you subscribe to my channel to get notified as soon as I upload that, and share this video with your friends so that even share with this video with your friends who are like preparing seriously for KCET 2024, so that even they'll get a clear picture of what they need to study or what they need to focus more on while they are prepared. And if you enjoyed watching this video, or if you were able to grab something important out of this video, then make sure that you hit the like button, because that will help this video to reach a lot of KCET 2024 aspirants out there. And if you have any kind of doubts regarding your KCET 2024 preparation, or life during engineering, or anything for that matter, please put it down in the comment section so that I'll be able to go through them one by one. And join our Telegram group exclusively there for KCET 2024 aspirants, wherein you can discuss among your peers, or even I'll be there to solve your doubts, or solve your doubts regarding the subjects, or regarding the preparation, or the strategy, or anything for that reason. The link for the Telegram group has also been provided in the description, so please check it out once. And during this time, a lot of students will be worried about their delayed start, or what if I start from now on? Will I be able to crack KCET if I start from now on? These are questions which are common, and trust me, even I had the same question around this time when there were around 100 days left for my examination. And it is common to have, but the only thing which makes you stand out is that temperament which allows you to work hard for your examination, no matter what your current preparation level is. And I want all of you to give whatever it takes, or to give your 110% effort to this preparation, which will definitely give you the dream seat, or which will definitely help you get into your dream college, or get you a seat in your dream college. And that is the ultimate thing which we KCET aspirants look forward to. So with that note, let me sign off. Thank you, guys. So keep learning. I'll be coming up with a lot of videos about your KCET preparation, so you need not worry about anything, but just keep that temperament of putting in your 110% efforts for your preparation, and results will automatically follow, guys. Thank you, guys. We'll meet in the next video. Bye.